Okay, Sarah's gonna try using liquid eyeliner.
Here we go. You know, this really clashes with my pink shirt.
No, that's your don't worry, you're gonna change that.
Ah! It's in my eye.
Yeah, that happens, but don't worry, it'll get better. You'll be good at it sooner or later.
How long am I gonna be emo for?
I don't know, forever.
Okay.
Now you have to put it on the top.
Okay. You are going to great lengths. Oh man.
Good, you're getting there.
Still getting used to this music.
Eyeliner is very essential. You have to have it. It's just necessary, okay? So, any people out there, just buy some. Good job.